Okay, so when I get ready to cut a bunch of scraps like this and I just need some small squares, I basically am going to try to line two sides up roughly. So like I'm just gonna find two cross lines on my board and slightly overlap this line and slightly overlap that line because I'm gonna trim them square. So I lay that one down and then I'm just gonna keep lining up the sides like this. So I'll line up this side and that side because I'm gonna trim those square. And I'm only worrying about scraps that I know are gonna get me like a 2.5 inch square. And I'll probably do maybe 5 of them. Okay, then next, I'm gonna cut and trim this line right here. Get that straight. Trim this off right there. And then, rather than cutting this whole strip, if I know I only need a 2.5 inch square, I'm gonna count over 2.5. And it's a little bit hard to see on this whiteboard, but I'm gonna count over 2.5. I'm gonna cut it that way, pull all these out of the way, and then I'm gonna trim it this way. And obviously it's a little bit harder from this angle. And then I'm gonna count 2.5 over. And then I know I have, see all these little pieces just kind of fall away. And then I have all of my 2.5 inch squares. And that's just the fastest way I've found to cut scraps.